how to log into Best Buy and check order status. Hi everybody, welcome back. In order to log into your Best Buy and check your order status, first of all, open up your app store, type in Best Buy on the search bar, and make sure to install the app. It's just gonna take a while, so I'm gonna use the browser version. So simply open up any browser that you have. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So type in Best Buy onto your browser or onto your address bar. There you have at the very top, select it so, and you have to select the country of your resident. Once you've done that, you will then be taken to the sign in field. So select the sign in at the very bottom right corner of the screen. So now tap onto the menu, or you could simply go ahead and select the sign in. After which you could go ahead and either enter your email address, maybe go with your Apple ID, Google ID, all that. So I have to go ahead and use my Google account. So I'm just going to simply use this out. So once you're logged into your account, this is how the home page is gonna look like. So in order to check the order status, simply tap onto the menu and go to order status at the very bottom. There you will be able to see your order history, whether the status as shipped, preparing, out for delivery, something like that. So that is basically how you should be able to see your order status on your Best Buy account. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.